budgets. At first glance, this endless desert seems too harsh for farming. But with water, determination, and every successful harvest begins long before the seeds enter the soil. It starts with the people whose lives depend on this land. In desert farming, water is more valuable than gold. Every drop is carefully managed through a network of canals that keeps these fields alive.
Before planting begins, the soil must be loosened so peanut roots can grow freely beneath the surface. A perfectly level field ensures every plant receives equal moisture, improving both growth and yield.
Healthy soil feeds healthy plants. Organic nutrients enrich the land before the first seed is planted.
Every harvest begins with one simple decision: choosing the strongest seeds. The first irrigation awakens the seeds hidden beneath the desert soil.
Hidden beneath the surface, the first signs of life quietly begin. Careful irrigation keeps every row growing evenly across the field. Removing weeds prevents competition for water and nutrients.
Modern farms deliver nutrients exactly where the plants need them most.
Soon, delicate yellow flowers appear, the beginning of the peanut's most remarkable transformation.
Unlike most crops, peanut flowers send a small stem called a peg into the ground.
Deep beneath the soil, the peanuts begin forming where no sunlight can reach them. Even in challenging desert conditions, careful farming protects every plant. After months of careful care, the crop approaches maturity. Farmers regularly inspect underground pods to determine the perfect harvest time.
Finally, the harvest begins as the hidden crop emerges into daylight for the very first time.
The plants remain in the field for several days, allowing the peanuts to dry naturally.
Specialized harvesting machines gently separate the peanuts while protecting their quality.
The farming journey is complete. Now, these freshly harvested peanuts begin a new chapter inside one of the world's most advanced processing factories. After months of farming, thousands of tons of freshly harvested peanuts arrive at the factory, where science and technology.
Before production begins, every batch is carefully checked to ensure only high-quality peanuts enter the production line.
The first step inside the factory is removing everything collected during the journey from the farm.
Powerful air technology removes unwanted particles while protecting the natural quality of the peanuts.
Inside the shelling machines, the hard outer shells are removed to reveal the valuable peanut kernels hidden inside.
Powerful air technology removes unwanted particles while protecting the natural quality of the peanuts.
Precision separation ensures only pure peanut kernels continue toward production. Modern factories use artificial intelligence cameras to inspect every single peanut.
Peanuts are sorted by size and quality to maintain a consistent final product.
A final cleaning stage prepares the peanuts for the most important transformation. Roasting unlocks the deep flavor and aroma that defines premium peanut butter.
Carefully controlled heat develops the rich, nutty taste while maintaining the natural oils inside the peanuts. Even a few degrees can change the final flavor, so every second is monitored carefully. Only perfect roasted kernels are selected for premium peanut butter production.
Removing the skins creates a smoother texture and cleaner appearance. After roasting, the peanuts must cool before the next stage begins. The transformation begins as thousands of peanuts are crushed into a rich, natural paste. The natural oils inside peanuts help create the perfect creamy texture.
Each recipe is carefully balanced to achieve the perfect flavor.
Powerful mixers create the smooth, consistent texture found in every jar.
Before packaging, every batch must pass strict quality tests.
The finished product waits safely before entering the packaging line. The final stage begins as the peanut butter prepares for its journey to consumers. Every jar receives the same perfect amount through advanced automated technology. A final inspection ensures that every jar leaving the factory meets strict safety standards. After sealing, every jar receives its identity. Labels provide important information and prepare the product for customers around the world. Every package is tracked from the factory to the final destination, ensuring complete quality control. Thousands of finished jars are packed every day, ready for their journey beyond the desert factory. Advanced technology helps organize thousands of products quickly while protecting them during transportation. Before reaching stores, the finished products are safely stored in controlled conditions. From this remote desert facility, peanut butter begins its journey to cities across the world.
The journey that started with a tiny seed now continues toward millions of kitchens.
After traveling hundreds or thousands of kilometers, the final product reaches the people who enjoy it every day. From a seed buried beneath desert soil to a jar enjoyed around the world, peanut butter represents behind every spoonful is a story of farmers, water, technology, and thousands of hands working together.